Make a great choice today with the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.